What I have here today, March 26, 2012, is my American, like I said, Waltham Watch Company. What does the dial say? American Watch Company. Waltham Watch Co. Whatever. I took this apart previously, and I cleaned it. The best I thought I could. Well, let's just say it's clean enough. Cleaner than it was before. I put it in my container here with the cover. And let's see what kind of goodies I found. The jewels and the balance, those were really filthy. The cap jewels. What are they? Oh, I got a new screw. Whoops, shouldn't have done that. Well, I think it was this screw was missing on this jewel. I found another one and I shoved it in there. It's interesting, the tolerance, because when I put it back together, I put this screw over here and it went in no problem, but this screw, no, when I put it in, I put this screw over here and it fit in, but when I put this screw on this side, it wouldn't even catch the threads. So I reversed them and everything threads in nicely. These jewels were filthy, and there was another jewel that was really filthy. That was on the bottom plate. One of these jewels was really crusty. Let's see if I can remember which one it was. I think it was this one. Yeah, this one for the pallet fork lever thing, whatever. It was like greenish oxidation crud from like a copper alloy in there, like you wouldn't believe. So that's why the thing was running kind of sluggish. So, and this lever fork thing. Oh, come on. Thank you. This thing. Let's see again. Well, it won't focus. Dog. Come on. Well, anyway, one of the pivots. I think it's the one that's pointing to 6 o'clock. I think that one's bent a little bit. And that's what happens when you rush to put these things together. You get impatient and you squeeze it and it gets bent. But I think it should work, so let's say we get this show on the road. I'm itching to get this thing running again. I don't need this cover, do I? Let me put the cover there. I'm going to first put that click stuff back in. Oh, wait, where's my movement holder? I guess I'll do it on the movement holder. And I guess I can zoom in now. Oh, wow, I gotta move this thing back. I should do this before I'm wasting time. Okay, let's even get the click stuff together. I'm gonna put some oil down. I'm going to use clock oil. Here's my oiler with the cap on it. Let me take the cap off. You can see the tip is fat a little bit. And I got a thing with oil in it. It doesn't look too clean. Got to wipe the tip off after every dunk so you don't transfer crud. So I'm going to put some oil. I see the old outline of the spring here. I'm going to put some oil on the old outline. I don't know what for. And then I think I'm going to put some oil in here. I know this rotates and moves around. I'll dump some oil in there. And I think I'm going to put some oil in here too. This thing rotates, so let's put some oil there. I guess that should be sufficient, I guess. Let me cover this. Okay. Oh, now I have to get the click stuff. This is gonna be a pain. Now I gotta stand up. Let me move the click stuff. I'm gonna put this down. Put this. I'm just gonna grab the pieces. Okay. And I'm basically doing this the same day I took it apart. I should remember most of what I did. I believe this goes here, like this. I think that looks right. And since that goes that way, this wheel, this is not... Oh, these flat things are hard to pick up with the tweezers. Come on. I gotta put it over a hole or something? Pain in the ass. Oh, doesn't look too clean. I think this would go like that. So it would keep it in. And then this has a pin. And it goes like this. And the screws. Well, here's one screw. Oh, come on. You dog. Oh, man, this is happening when you try to do stuff without the right magnification. Let's see. Oh, screw moves. I forgot to turn on my auxiliary light. Oh, crap. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, you scumbag. You moved. Everything freaking moves. Okay, now I realize what I should have done first. I should have capped that. So I'm going to do that now. Yeah, live and learn. I'm going to put some oil on this, because it's going to rub. It's still using the clock oil. I'm going to cap this. I should have capped it in the beginning. I'm going to have to take that screw out. Oh, where's the screwdriver again? Oops, I'm always hitting stuff too. Pain in the ass. I don't know where the hole is. Found it. I gotta take this out. Oh, now it doesn't want to come out. Couldn't get it in, now it can't come out. Yeah, I gotta cap that. Let me get the other screw. Of course it's gonna fight, because I'm using my left hand for the tweezers. Oh, come on. Definitely better righty screwing in the screws. Okay, it's getting captured. Tell you, the screws on this watch look really nice and blue. I'm impressed. Okay, now I can put this thing on. Now it's really gonna fight me. Everything fights. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, I know I can do it. It's just a question of how long will it take. Oh, come on. Okay, now I'm going to screw it in a little more. There you go. That thing likes to go up. I don't know why. Okay. Let me stick this here. I'd rather just... Okay, so that's pretty much that. I wanted to put a little... There's some rust. There's some rust on here. I wanted to put oil in the rust. Oh wait, I can put oil. I forgot to put oil. I mean, maybe you should use grease, but I don't have any grease. So... I'll put oil on these teeth. Okay, let's see what's next. I think that's it for this side. Come on, flip it over to this side. I guess I gotta put all the wheels in now. Okay, let's do that. These probably go in a particular order, but I don't remember. I do know that the big one goes in the middle. Or does it? I didn't give you much clearance there between the, whatever. And there's the next one. Next one goes here. And the center, second-hand one. See there, they always, this one goes first. You know, you gotta pick it up like this if you don't want it to wiggle on you. Come on. Okay. And the regulator, I think it goes like this. And the pallet fork. Lever fork, I don't know what you call this. English lever, I don't know. Come on, I gotta pick it up the right way. And this goes here. Should go there. Yeah, it looks like it matches. Okay, oh, come on. Give me grief. I gotta put some oil on some of this stuff before I put the top plate. So now I got my watch oil. You gotta put some oil on these funky things. I don't know what they call them. That thing moves. Everything moves. I think I got enough oil. They say like every other one or something. Yeah. If I was not doing the video, I would definitely be doing this a little bit different. But I'm pressed for time. Something like that. Okay, so there's the train. Now we put this plate on. I never did a Waltham like this before, so let's see if it's going to be a big pain. I pre-oiled the balance once. Let's see, how does this go? Okay, mainspring barrel is there. And again, you have to slip. The key is you got to slip this end here of the lever or whatever it is. It's got to go, you know, sticking out through this hole here. So you just can't come straight down. You have to kind of coming off at the side. And it's going to be a pain. Oh wait, I'm going to do this so I can see what's going on. Let's see if I can do this so I can see what's going on. Oh, everything moves. Let's see. Oh crap. Okay, let's see. I'm going to do this so I can see. Did I get it through? I don't think I got it through. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, I got it through the little window there. Now I just got to get the wheels in position. I think I got that wheel. Got to put some pressure on there. Gotta get the center wheel in at least. Yeah, this is a pain to do on camera. Well, I guess I got that one. I got the center. I got the third. Let's see if I can do the fourth. I got the fourth. I gotta do the escape wheel. Oh, come on. Just doesn't want to go. What about the pallet? I can see why they bent it now. They probably got so pissed off. I gotta switch. I gotta get the right magnification. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's why this has to go here. Yeah, this is different than the Illinois. Oh, now I got... Oh, man. Oh, almost. Oh, almost. Did I get it? I think I got it. Okay, yay! I got them all in. Did this enough times now that it's not as scary as it used to be. Everything moves. So yeah. What you have to do is once you get the you can see the end of the lever thing in there. Once you get that through the window, then you start with your center and you work your way through the train, lining them up into the jewels. Really, it's just the upper plate you're getting in because the bottom one you already stuck them in. So I got all those in. So I'm gonna screw that in because who knows, it might knock something over and the damn screws pop out. How do I got all these screws here? This one goes here. Come on. And this one goes here. Oh, let's see. And the next one. Oh, my finger's in the way. Let's see, I just want to double check. Yeah, it's in. Everything moves nicely. Excellent. Okay, what's next? I guess the mainspring will go in next, the barrel. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, some things I oiled beforehand because, you know, I'm just trying to save some time. And that was the mainspring. Barrel and stuff. Yeah, let me shove this in here. Oh wait, I was supposed to see how it lines up. Oh wait, it did line up? Let me see, that hole goes like that. Because this thing is keyed with the square. I got some dust on here. Freaking dust all over the place, can't escape it. Oh, now, let's see, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Let me see if I can move this over. No. Come on, come on, come on. Something always gives you grief. That's all I can say. There you go, you dog. At least you put more of a radius on that square part. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this. I'm gonna cover it now. Put this on. Yeah, there's a lot of... Oh, I took off this round thing. There's a lot of grease in there. How much time do I have? Crap. Where are the screws for that? This one. Oh, the screw's all the way wedged in the corner. Are we getting this still? Good. Let's see. Come on, get in the hole. Yeah, don't want to cross thread anything. And you don't have to get them tight as hell because, you know, something's going to get stripped. Okay, what's next on the agenda? I think we're going to do some oiling now. Before I go any further. Like I said, I pre-oiled the balance stuff already, so now let's see. Put some oil on these things. Well, here's a set. No, I'll do this one. And I'll do this one. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna do, flip it over. Crap, why does it do that? Oh, I know why. Yeah, nuts. Okay. I'll do this one. Oh, wait, okay, this one. One. That's loose. And the center seconds. I think I'm going to put some oil on here because the second hand goes on that. And this one. And this one. And what else? Oh, I gotta do the, I'm gonna use the clock oil on the non-jeweled. And this is non-jeweled. And for some reason I want to give it 2. Maybe I shouldn't, but I'm gonna give it 2 because it's big. Excuse me. You know, I forgot to oil something. Damn it. Yeah, I forgot to oil something. Crap. I can give this one an extra one too. Probably shouldn't, but I will. Yeah, I forgot to oil something. My mistake. I gotta take the mainspring out again. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I didn't do the lower on the barrel arbor. Darn it. I don't want to take this out, but I have to. I forgot to do this one. Well, I'm gonna put the oil on the arbor. That's easier. You can't see me do it, but I'm doing it. I'm gonna give it 2. Maybe you should use grease or something, but I don't have grease. I gotta struggle with this freaking thing again. Let's see. How does this go? Oh, pain, 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 pain. So it's pointy that way. I think it's like this it has to go. Oh, got it in this time. Excellent. And, well, I'll tell you, I gotta oil this upper one too, so I'm gonna put the oil on the arbor. And I'm gonna use 2. I don't know how much you should use, but I'm gonna use 2. And now I can put this back in. Maybe you should use grease, but I don't have grease. I have to get some grease then. Oh, don't want to cross thread. Come on. Gotta make sure all the others are tight. Yeah, okay. So I think I oiled everything. Yeah, I think I did. Oh, now I'm gonna go back to the other side. Oh, it's gonna be crooked like that. I'm gonna put some oil. I'm gonna now put the cannon pinion on there, so I'll put some oil on here. I think I'm also gonna put some oil down here because it looks like it's rubbing down here. Cannon pinion. Maybe I should support this. Oh wow, that goes on real easy. Wow. And I'm gonna put some oil. Looks like it's rubbing here too. So I'm gonna put some oil there. And I might as well put some oil on here too. I guess you should oil that, I don't know. I don't remember. And where are those? Oh, those parts are someplace else. I don't know if I should put these. If I put these on now, I'm gonna put the dial on. I'm gonna put them on later. I'm gonna put the balance on now. I'm gonna open this up. Let's see, balance, balance, balance. I oiled the pivots already on the balance because they had the cap jewels. Let's see if I can get the balance out of the container. How much time do I have? Okay. There's the balance. As far as I know, you never oil the roller jewels. I never seen where that's oiled, so I gotta flip this upside down. Where is that thing? Let's put it over there. Come on. Wow. I gotta flip this upside down. It's always gonna fight. What am I doing? I'm doing this way because I know the jewel is going to end up on the right side of the pallet fork. Oh, wow. Yeah, okay, now I get the little screw. screwdriver. Oh, I'm trying to rotate it so I can handle it. I'm going to do it righty so I don't screw it up. Oh, crap. Okay. Now I put the balance cock on. And you got the little guide pins for the hairspring, you know, over here, so you gotta make sure those go in right. Let's see. And wow, this watch was made pretty good because the suckers went right on. The guide pins went right around the hairspring, no problem. Wow, quality. Oh, there's the one last screw. And screwdriver. I want to use the bigger screwdriver. Now I learned that this thing always moves and shakes and shimmies while you're trying to screw it in. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure to keep it from going out of position. Now I just got to make sure the pivots are in their right holes. Whoops, what was that? I didn't like that. Ah, crap, what's wrong now? What is that? Why is it doing that? Oh, that's still in. Still working. I don't like this screwdriver. But it's not moving good. Oh, there you go. This is the one where I wouldn't be surprised if someone bent something to make it fit right. So yeah, only when you tighten this all the way down does it go in the right position. I don't know, something's probably bent. I wonder if it's... I don't know. I don't know what... You never know what the hell people do to these things. I forgot to bring the key over. There's the key. Let's see if this puppy cranks up. Damn, this chain is too long on the key. Okay, so let's see. Let's give it a... I just want to see from the side. Where's the probe? Huh. Doesn't move that good. I'm disappointed. Let's give it some more. I figured it would move better than this. I cleaned out a ton of crud in there too. And that's all it's given me? Let me wind it up some more. Well, the mainspring on this thing didn't look like it was the best. Ah, that's disappointing, that balance movement. Crap. That's it? Man, that's not good at all. I am disappointed. I expected better. Yeah, it's not running. Something's not right. Let me back this out a little bit. Yeah, something's not right. Ah, crap. Well, anyway, I'm going to have to stop this video because I have to examine this thing and figure out what's going on with it. I can't do it when the camera's on, so maybe I'll return, maybe I won't. Okay, what are we at? I'm going to stop it soon. Okay, now I'm going to stop. Yeah, I'm back. God only knows what was done to this watch in the, in the past. What it happened to be is that the when you screwed down the balance cock, it was just a little too tight on the pivots. There wasn't enough play, I guess. So what I did is I had to make a shim. I have this material here. It's 1/1000th of an inch thick, or what would that be in millimeters? 0.025 maybe? I don't know. Either way, I cut a piece out and I shoved it underneath the balance cock, and I'm going to show you it because it should go back on. Well, I made a quick and dirty shim, I'd like to call it. Now the thing stopped. Why did it stop? Who knows? Something's bent. I don't have the equipment to see what's bent and what's not bent. Let's see if I can... Look at that, just lift it up a little bit. Okay, there's the shim. 1/1000th of an inch thick, or I think it's 0.025 millimeters. I did it kind of crappy. Usually I like to put round holes so it lines up better. Yeah, I don't know, maybe the bottom of this thing is not flat, or I don't know. I'm not going to screw around with it. Did it line up? This one's real good because the guy's pins go in good. I can't see. No, they didn't. Oh, come on. Okay. Anyway, so I had to shim it. I don't like dinging. I just rather shim. Some people probably bend. Of course, then if you go to restaff it, wait, I gotta hold this because I know it's gonna freaking move on me. Oh, I didn't cut enough off. No, that's good. I tucked it in there. It stops. Yeah, something's not right. Or maybe I need a 2000 shim. I don't know. Wait. Wow, there seems to be a lot of play there. I don't know. Who the heck knows? But let me finish this up. Well, maybe I gotta examine it later. Maybe it's something else. But the shim seems to work. What's next? What's next? Let's see, we put it like... that. And I want to get this thing together. This goes here. This goes here. Where did I put the dial? I don't know where the dial is. What did I do with the dial? Come on, what did I do with the dial? Oh, there it is. Oh, junk on top of crap. Where's the dial? The dial goes like this. Oh, come on. There you go. Oh, I gotta put the pins in. I don't want to put the pins in. It takes too long to put the pins in. Screw it, I'll put the pins in later. It always fights. That's good enough, I guess. Okay. Pain. Oh, it's a little bit off. Can I move it? Nah, screw it. Close enough. Really should do this when it's in the case. Ah, crap. I always forget because it's key. You gotta line up the freaking minute hand first. Damn it. I'm gonna stop this video and fix this. Okay, I gotta line up the minute hand. This thing just turns too easily. Again, yeah, see, that's pretty much lined up. That's good enough for me. I just want to get this thing together. I can fix it later. I just want to get this thing over with. And then put the minute hand on. Ah, you dog. Happens when you rush. Oh, what did it move that much? Took me that long to get this thing on. Crap. Come on. Man, that doesn't want to go down. What the frig? That's tight. Nuts to that. Anyway. You get the point. I'm going to have to pin this thing, and I can't do it on camera, so. It's basically done. I got to stick the little pins in there and then stick it in the case, so I guess I'm satisfied. So anyway, thank you for your cooperation. Oh, I forgot to put the microphone on my head. Well, I hope it picked up all this stuff because I'm not doing this crap again. Thank you for your cooperation. Enjoy the rest of your day.